Hey guys, Joe here from Clean Getaway Car Detailing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to maintain the interior of your classic car. Alright guys, so when it comes to cleaning the interior of your classic or vintage car, there's 3 products I really recommend using. And the great thing about them is that they're all Australian made and they're really safe for your car. So the first one is the Bowden's Own Clean Detail. This product here is what you want to use when you have painted surfaces on your door trims or maybe even your dash. A lot of classic cars are like that, very different to cars these days. So we're going to use this to keep the paintwork clean and without causing any scratches or marring. We recommend first spraying it into the microfiber towel. You want to use a really nice plush microfiber. Don't use cheap stuff. Make sure it's really good quality. We're using the auto fiber range here. We really believe that they're the finest quality microfibers. So make sure you use this and spray it into the towel and just gently wipe down the surface. You always want to wipe down top to bottom. Always flip the towel over. Don't use too much product, but just enough to keep it well lubricated. But if you're noticing the towel's getting quite dusty and dirty, just swap the sides, use another side and keep on cleaning. Secondly, to keep the vinyl and leather clean, we love using the Bowden's Own Leather Love. This product here is extremely safe. It's very good on delicate surfaces, whether they've been retrimmed and if they're new or even if they're very old, like 40, 50 plus years old. We love this, it's a great cleaner, it smells awesome, and it really revitalizes the surface that we're working on. And then lastly, what we love using is the Bowden's Own Naked Glass. This product here is our go-to glass cleaner. It's great for chrome, it's great for glass and windows and window tints, and it's just really good to clean the stalks and everything like that with that are a glossy surface. So guys, when it comes to cleaning glass, we use these auto fiber flip towels, okay? So they're made for glass cleaning. What we do is we spray the product into the towel, into the twist pile microfiber, and then we clean the glass. Once we've cleaned it, we flip it over to the waffle weave side to remove any hazing or smears or any smudges, all right? So that's the best way to keep your glass clean. And the best thing about it is these towels here, they actually flip inside out, so you've got 2 sides to use it. How cool is that? Thanks for watching guys. That is how you keep your classic car well maintained on the interior. Now it's time to get going. Woo!